water is a big topic right now. We're trying to prep for the future before the issue comes to hand.
Hi, John Fortin, Sustainability Manager at Salem and Beverly Water Supply Board.
My name is Corey Crosby. I'm a maintenance equipment operator at Salem and Beverly Water Supply Board.
At Salem and Beverly Water Supply Board, we've got fixed assets that have been in place for 85 years. So our sustainability mission is more around making sure that we're available to supply water to 100,000 people for the next 100 years. I defined the company that when we got there 3 years ago as more of a family-operated company with a lot of things that were passed down verbally. And so when we got there, we said, well, wait a minute here. It's an aging asset. We need to really put some things in place, collecting that information from out of their heads into a sustainable technology system so that we can manage those assets going forward. I've always enjoyed having the framework like the uptime elements so that when you walk in the door and it's my idea, it's not my idea. We're looking at a best practice. And so for us, in multiple locations, we have the uptime elements in rooms. And we say that's the framework to world class.
The biggest thing for me that I took away is determining what we could get away with and what we couldn't based on physical assets. We didn't know which asset was deemed priority, which asset, we kind of knew, but we never really, actually put it down on paper. So I think taking the equipment that we can't get away with, like not having, and really focusing on maintaining those assets was the biggest part for me.
As I mentioned before, we're an 85-year-old utility, and there's a need for capital investment. And so working with Corey and the team is we have to create the business case. So we're going to ask for $50 million worth of investment to rebuild these assets. Our leadership team felt that we need to make sure that we look like a corporation. So when we go and ask for the money and people come in, they can see a professional organization, not a family-run organization. And so we put in place with the team mission, vision, value statements, a logo, document all the policies and procedures, and we set a vision to be world-class, which is why we're here today. We embarked on that journey 3 years ago, and I have to applaud the staff because they were taken from 0 to 150 miles an hour in a short period of time.
I've gained a lot of experience, and I'm very grateful for, especially John coming in. Because if he didn't come in, I wouldn't have even thought about any of this stuff. It's definitely eye-opening. And I think one of the things that's challenging for us is we are so small. We're not like bigger places. So if you have, like, our maintenance team is only 4 guys. So we have to, we really, do other jobs. Like our operators, they don't do maintenance, but our maintenance techs, they're all operators. So I think the cross-training between all the employees, this validates and helps us just get better at what we do.